understand how niggas still broke. Rack City, this LA, if you know, you know. Like who we trippin' on, blower in the chief and coat. I'm from the stink team, you know that's why this bitch chose. Niggas talking like they joints, but I can't tell. Make the baddest bitch in town walk on eggshells. Fuck 12, free Rozzy, nigga, free Kels. Long live the cold devil, time to give him hell. Mama found my whole arsenal of weapons. Let a nigga think I'm scary, get to shooting, I feel threatened. Every day we be outside, niggas know we heavy stepping. Bitches on their best behavior anytime she in my presence. If I like her, won't tell her. I'm an arson with this metal. Niggas seem to know we pressure. Real shooter for the record. Let them slide, nigga, never. See if niggas is athletic. I think niggas got the message. Now here come the paramedics. Stinks from LA, that's the bottom line. Oh, who tripping? What we doing? What you got in mind? Jiggy on the dance floor, where Omarion? I'm a flu flammer, baby, I don't got no time. Too icy, niggas know they ain't as fly as us. Who the bussin'? Who this nigga tryna size me up? Don't end up a free throw, bitch, I earn this. Chopsticks, my sensei, like where you learn this?
I think I see some feds around, it's a burn mission. She gon' tear it off and hoe for me, Rack City. Get it out the kitty, OTK, long live catchy. Why you acting so high, you moving real sketchy. She tryna party with the team, her man won't let her. My swag incredible, bet you I could bleed Skechers. Cold instinctive destruction, it was destined. He said he gon' kill me, I just laughed when he said it. With this ruler, sit down and